Welcome back to my channel, ACB Designs. I'll fold my fabric into my organza fabric into 4 pieces. Okay, so I folded it into 2 and then folded it again, making 4 folds. Okay, so for my neckline, the length of my neckline is 3 inches and then the width is 6 inches. I will then connect the 2 points by curving it. Okay, when we come to the armhole area, the armhole length, I used 18 inches. I came down 18 inches. You can go down more than the 18 inches, but I preferred 18 inches. Yes, and I came inside 16 inches. Okay, I came inside 16 inches depending on the bust size of the person. Okay, I will then connect with my ruler and then connect the same points at my waist area, leaving 1 inch allowance, and then I will curve it to meet the 1 inch allowance I left at the waist area. I will then cut out and then cut my neckline as well. Okay, so after cutting out, I will then open it, and then at the armhole side, at the sleeve side, I will then fold in half an inch at the edge, and then fold in another half an inch at the edge again, and then stitch along the sides. I will then repeat the same thing at the other side of the sleeves as well. Okay. Yes, so this is what I'll be having after stitching along the sleeves. I'll then open it and then fold it in a way you could see what I mean. Okay, so this is what I have after stitching half an inch at the sleeves area. I also went ahead to finish my neckline with my bias, as you can see. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and then insert my elastic band at the at the sleeves area where I folded half an inch and then stitched. Okay, so I'll then fold it, making sure the right side faces each other, and join the side of my dress. Okay, so this is it after fixing in my elastic band and then fixing my waist elastic band. Also, I joined the side and side as well. Okay, so at this point, our top is ready. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. See you all in our next video. Bye. It's so simple to make.